on that. But we got something in the mail today. Boom, boom. We got it from Gamma. And yeah, let's open it up and see what it is. Alright, we got bubble wrap. We don't need that. Ooh. We got these clippers right here. I was waiting to get these and see what these are like. These right here. Look, it looks pretty cool right here on the box. These are the trimmers right here. This is the back. This is what it looks like. This is the front. This is the back. This is what this looks like. So let's just open them up and see what the clipper look like in hand. Alright, comes in this bag. This is what the clipper looks like. Pop the top off of that. We don't need that. This is the clipper right here. Sounds nice and quiet. Quiet on the set! Sounds nice and quiet. And yeah, kind of looks like an Iron Man kind of clipper. Alright, this is what the clipper looks like. Alright, here's the liners. This is what it looks like. Pretty dope, pretty dope. It comes with different colors too. Let me go get the, alright. Comes with a blue top and a black one with a stand. These are the trimmers. This is the clippers. Comes with a blue top and a black one and a stand. Alright. Shout out to Gamma. These are the the Instinct. These clippers right here look good. I'm gonna be honest. It's all about checking to see how it hit, checking to see how well it cuts. But other than that, the Instinct right here. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so my client wanted a number 2 on top. So right now, I'm not just gonna run the clipper through this. I'm gonna take it down by using my shears and bring it down to a length where, you know, I could pick it out and, you know, run the clipper through the hair, because the guards is not going to work, you know, cutting at this length. So you might as well just cut it down right now and save your client from being uncomfortable, because running the guard through this is a high percentage of chance where it's just gonna snag with this type of hair texture. So still, I'm not done bringing it down. I'm using my Stylecraft Instinct, basically with the lever fully closed, and just taking it down a little bit more. That way, it's easier to take down, especially when you pick it all out. So next, I'm gonna pick the hair out. This is gonna loosen up the hair, making it a lot easier for you to run the guards through it. So now that everything is picked out, it's time to take it down to my client's length, which is a 2 with the lever open. All right, I'm going with the grain, making sure I go slow enough, that way I don't run into any cowlicks, and I'm double checking as I go. Next, using my Babyliss FX, I'm gonna set in my bald line. I'm doing a drop fade, so I'm gonna drop it in the back. One of the things that I'm not gonna do is I'm not gonna press too hard to where I make a harsh guideline. So you wanna really pay attention to how hard you're pressing down, not to press too hard. Now, not only did Gamma come out with these new Instinct clippers, they actually came out with a balding clipper as well. These are the Gamma skins, and I'm just taking out that bulk at the bottom, making it bald, and these clippers are really good, especially if you don't want to dull out your liners. Next, going back with my Instinct clippers, I'm with the lever open. I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure I keep that width all the way around.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Next, same thing with the one guard with the lever open. I'm going up about a ½ inch, making sure it's the same width all the way around. Next, I'm gonna clear out that bulk that's on top by putting on the 1.5 guard with the lever fully open. Now, it's gonna be a lot smoother running into that 2 that's on top using that 1.5 guard, and that's where Gamma went right, is by making that 1.5 guard. I know Andis has one, but you know, by me opening the box and looking at it and looking at all the guards that it come with, this is definitely a guard that's useful. So with me, I like to go back down on my blend, so I'm gonna go back with the number 1 and basically clean up that area between the 1 and the 1.5 in a flick out motion. Now putting on the 0 guard with the lever open, all I'm doing is softening up that middle line, making it easier for it to come out with the next step. Now closing the lever on that 0 guard, it makes it a lot easier to flick out that middle line. Once you do this, start below the line, flick to the line, it's gonna come out a lot easier. Now with the lever open, I'm just gonna clean up a little bit around those areas where I see bulk in that middle line. Next, with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. Now remember to flick below the line, flick to the line, and if you need to adjust your lever as you go up. it's time to detail your work. All right, detailing is the most important part of the blend. This is where you utilize your mirror. The mirror shows you a different perspective on the blend that you can't just see head on. All right, so make sure you go in those areas where you see bulk. Use your corners of the blade, kind of debulk those areas, and perfect the blend as much as possible.
Where you get your beats? HustleDreamProduction.
Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in the full 360, and they come out looking like
God did.
YouTube. This is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, Hustle Dreams Production, that's my brother. He does